Hi guys, so for today I am gonna go thrift shopping with my friend Stephanie, aka Vintage Vagabond. She's also on you. Oh, see? Do you see how it tilts like that? I need to fix that.
See your neck like break.
Anyway, we're gonna go thrift shopping today, and I will definitely leave her link in the bio in my description below. If you're into that fashion vintage stuff, definitely check out her channel. That is where it's at. But yeah, we will rock out in the car for a bit and we'll see you when we get there.
You know how weird it is, like on our end and stuff? It's so funny. Like whenever I'm not vlogging, it's me.
Yeah, like being in someone, I feel like it's so much easier being in someone else's vlog because you're just like, hey, but like actually vlogging, you're just like,
I think it's easier vlogging than being in someone else's vlog. Yeah, cause you're just kind of like, what am I doing? What am I doing with my face? I'm like, hi guys, this is Steph. Is this vintage? Wait, what?
Vintage Vagabond.
Hi guys, this is Steph, aka Vintage Vagabond. Oh my god. That's basically like the best I get.
Yeah.
I don't know what to say. I'm like, I don't have a wardrobe.
That's where I'm at.
Wow, look at those sales. Wow. Brenda, looks like you're on sale. Okay. Cute. No. You're 75% off? I don't think you're the colors. Sad. I think you're 100% off. You're not even on there.
I'm not free. I charge.
You charge?
Okay. There's so many pantaloons. So many pantaloons that I don't know what to choose from. I'm looking for like high-waisted. Oh my goodness.
Short people prod?
I don't think I could rock that.
I don't think I could rock them. I think they're like super tiny too. Wow.
I feel like pants are really hard to like go through because they're either a hit or a miss. I think I'll go to pants like last.
I went through
These are bad.
all of them.
They're kind of bad.
Last time I didn't find one pair.
You didn't find one pair of like good pants?
No.
Oh no. Okay. Pants would be like the last thing I look at. We're looking through shoes right now. I'm not really finding anything. It's not focusing. No? Nothing?
I found shoes.
Did you?
Yeah. I got these shoes here.
Oh, you bought those here?
$20.
Oh,
I
damn.
don't know why. I was like, oh my god.
So far, I mean, we just got here, but so far I'm not really finding anything that's catching my eye, but we'll see if I find anything. Okay. So far, Steph got those. Oh my god. Frozen. Do you want to build a snowman?
Huh?
So do you want to build a snowman?
Yes. You remember his name? I was gonna call him Christoph.
I was gonna call him Olaf.
Really?
But that's not Olaf.
Christoph, Olaf. Wow, there's a pattern here.
Let's see. Let's check out these shoes. Looking at the belt. Yeehaw.
Yeehaw.
Yeehaw. No, this is more yeehaw.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I love it.
Oh, like a chain. Gucci? No, no Gucci.
No Gucci.
Let's see. It's like a dog collar. Let's see if I find any boots here. This might be too big. But, ew. What size are you? I don't know, but I'm gonna keep looking.
They have a green tag.
It's a 9.5.
25% off.
I'm trying to find some cute track pants, but these are going to be so huge. Like I'll be swimming in them. So no luck on finding any track pants. Maybe these are a little bit better. I lost stuff. we kind of branched out. But I found some cool track pants that I will show you guys later. And yeah, so far, I'm still looking. Now I'm just kind of going through the women's shirts and seeing if I could find anything. But honestly, going thrift shopping is kind of stressful. I don't know how people do it. But yeah, you have to have a lot of patience because you're not gonna find anything that just jumps right at you. You're gonna have to dig to find something that you like.
I think this one might be too big.
That's cute.
I feel like I'm too short. I want to try it on.
You could like make it really super high-waisted.
Yeah.
Ooh, that's hella cute.
You can have a little slit.
Yes.
Wow. And I got this. It's like a little grandma.
That's cute though. That's so you.
It has some stains, but I want to see if I could get them
We
out.
could wash it. I know. I told my mom I was gonna go thrift shopping, and she's like, "Don't get pulgas." I'm like, "I'll wash everything. Don't worry, mom."
Right.
For those of you who don't know what pulgas are lice.
What? CSUEB? Reminds us of something?
I don't know that.
I don't go there.
Ooh, look at the sock.
Those are little sticky ones.
Do a small one.
Aww. They're the little tiny Baba squishy ones. And they're so fluffy. They look like Yo Gabba Gabba for sure.
Yo Gabba Gabba.
Comment down below if you're a Yo Gabba Gabba fan,
I
like
had
Brenda.
to watch that as I babysit my little cousin.
Really?
I know, like every episode.
Do you know the song?
Most of them, yeah.
The theme song? Sing it, Brenda. Sing it. I don't know it.
Yeah, I found some stuff. I'll probably try some stuff on. I have a thing for stripes, as you could tell. Like, look at how many stripes I have.
Brenda's your stripe kind of gal.
The best time to wear a striped sweater.
Is all the time. Yeah. I love this song. Nope. Nope. Just some shirts. Finally hit the jackpot. As long as there's no bed bugs in there, I'm good.
I probably wouldn't buy from here.
Okay. They look pretty damaged.
Yeah.
Last time I got a semi-damaged or pretty damaged record, they brought bed bugs. And to the house, and it was like an antique store, and it was the worst shit in the world. So, what's up in
Oh my god! Crop top.
Captain Adorable. Yes, girl, that'll fit for sure.
It would fit like.
And you can match it with some nice little socky socks.
Outfit
Yes.
of the day.
You ready for some Halloween? Some dino? Dino. These are so cute. I wish I had a child. A mega onesie, like up your butt. Wait, one more time. What did you? Yes, girl. Into the t-shirts we go. Woo. Go, girl.
Junior scientist.
Heck yeah, that's what we are, man. Some junior scientists. Wow, there's a dinosaur one.
Big dinosaur one. I don't know. First grade is fearless. 17 in dinosaurs.
So beautiful.
Bali Bagas. Like a boss. Okay. Slow and steady wins the race. Iron Man. It's actually not that bad.
It's cute.
But I feel like it's obvious, like some
Little babies.
shirt.
I feel like that's for little babies. Just requested that Brenda wears this if she ever becomes a teacher. So she could just like point at her shirt and then teach all the kids what the animals are. What sound does that animal make? And the oink oink. Wow.
We don't eat the oink oink. Oink oink.
Or the oink oink or the moose or the cluck. Brenda in her natural habitat. Doing some shopping.
Going through pants is so difficult. Like I hate going through pants. I'm so picky when it comes to pants.
No, it's long ways. Long way to go. Wow. Yeah, I literally took 2 hours looking through these last time and I didn't find one pair of pants and I was so disappointed. That's life.
Like, what size are you?
Penny Lane. I'll definitely wear this. It's only $1.09.
Save it for your future child.
I want to.
So we just got out of the thrift store. I got a few things. Everything amounted to like
A few things.
A few
Two bags
things.
filled
2 bags
with
full.
stuff.
You could see them in the back.
Yes.
Yeah.
like a
Well,
few
one
things,
bag
like
is
5
full of
bags.
snacks. One bag is
That's
like
true.
snacks, and one bag was like clothes. So I got a few shirts. What did you get?
I got shoes. Like Victorian style shoes, but modern, but still vintage. I don't know.
That's definitely her style.
And a bar soap.
And a bar soap.
Oatmeal soap.
That's definitely her style. Most of what I got are striped shirts. Ever since I was little, I've always had a thing for striped shirts. Like, I don't know why at the stores, I would just gravitate towards striped shirts.
And they look good on her too.
Oh, thank you. Oh, you wear stripes right now. Oh,
Yeah, look at that. I was like, I never wear striped shirts. So that's like me. You wear
meanwhile.
stripes? Yeah, just kidding.
But yeah, I'm probably gonna go home and eat because I'm tired and I have not eaten since breakfast. Eaten?
Oh, not 8?
Eaten?
Eight?
I've not ate since breakfast. There you go.
Eaten?
Eaten. So after I do that, I might try on, oh, this is very bad lighting because the sun's right on my face. Yeah, I will try on all of my clothes and do a little try on haul for you guys. And yeah, sorry I didn't vlog as much in there because it's really hard to flip through everything while holding a camera because yeah, it's just, I don't know how people do like thrift shop videos. I'll get better at it, I swear. Okay, I'll see you guys later. I didn't film an intro for the try on portion, but here's me trying on the clothes.